Hello, everyone. I'm back with some more information from Regional West Medical Center. They sent out a little bulletin this week, and there's some information that they want you to know about. So here it is. First, Regional West is asking that anyone who has been exposed to COVID-19 to call before you go to any medical facility. If you have a fever, a sore throat, a cough, shortness of breath, don't go to a medical facility. Call first. And that number to call is 630-1580. 630-1580. That's the number to call if you are having any of those symptoms rather than going, and then they'll talk to you about how you should proceed and what the appropriate action could be. It may be that you'll just need to stay home and stay isolated, but they'll help you decide what needs to be done. Okay, now the other thing is about virtual care. Jan and I have actually used this a couple of times, and it's pretty cool. It's where you can talk to your doctor by the computer, through the computer. There's a picture of him and a picture of you, and you talk to each other. It works really well. And there's a special app that you can download. And if you would rather do a virtual visit with your doctor, if you have a scheduled visit and you'd like to do that, call the physician's clinic at 630-2100. 630-2100, and tell them you'd like to do a virtual visit. Now, I get injections every other week for allergies, and I asked the gal that does the injections if we could do that virtually. She just laughed. Of course, I know you can't. Be nice, though. But if you would like to do a virtual visit, call that number. Let's see. It's just a couple of quick things. Urgent care. Urgent care has always been in the, what is the address there? 3011 Avenue B, right just to the north of Culver's. They have been moved over to the physician's clinic temporarily, and they are receiving only non-respiratory illnesses and injuries for walk-in patients. They are not taking any respiratory types of cases. And their hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Not at the urgent care place that we always know it is. It's over at the hospital in the physician's clinic part. The respiratory clinic, however, has been temporarily located at where urgent care normally is, at 3011 Avenue B, and they are treating patients by appointment only. So if you are experiencing respiratory symptoms, including fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, you should call 308 630-2100. Call the regular number for the physician's clinic, and screeners will help you decide what to do and make an appointment for you if you need to go over there for your respiratory issues. Now, once again, Blood Donor Center has been relocated to the Hampton Inn and Suites. You go in that east door of the conference, or for the conference center. That's where you go in for that. And their hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4:30. I would suggest you give them a call because they do go out and do mobile things, and they may not be there every day of the week. That was the case last week. I don't know whether it's what they're doing this week, but give them a call and make sure they're there. Their number is 630-2477. 630-2477. Now, the phlebotomy and specimen drop-off, it's also located at that same location in the Hampton Inn. And their hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4:30. Also, if you have something related to that, phlebotomy and specimen drop-off, you need to call them at 630-1668. 630-1668. Now, they do want us to mention about their visitation policy. They're not really allowing visitations at the hospital with some exceptions. In the pediatric units, they will allow one parent or guardian will be permitted to go in. And also in the birth and infant care center, only one significant other or support person can visit, only one other. And patients who are attending appointments at the physician's clinic or urgent care uh, can have only one caregiver if they are, for example, a minor, or if the provider requests that the patient be accompanied, just one person. If you go there to the physician's clinic, you will see that there are some people there that are screening you as you come in. And so they will be able to provide the assistance that you need as you come to the door. And of course, Regional West is encouraging family members and friends to use alternative ways to interact with their loved ones, including phone calls, FaceTime, Skype, and other means. Listen, folks, we need to take this seriously. You know, there's been some talk out there about comparing to the flu. This is no flu. This is serious, and we all need to do our part to do what the medical people tell us to do, and follow those guidelines. And I think we're doing a pretty good job as a community, as I have been in different places. I think the stores and all are doing a pretty good job. Well, I think that's about it for now. Other than maybe to mention, the doors at Regional West, there's only 4 doors open. There's the emergency room, the main medical center, the Medical Plaza North. That's where the physician's clinic is, and Medical Plaza South. Or that's where the physician's clinic is. Medical Plaza North is the one up north, north of that. Okay, so that's about it for now. And if Regional West sends me more information, I'll be sure to pass that along to you so we can all keep informed. We're all in this together, and we're going to get through it together, and God is going to help us to do that. Right? All right. Well, you have yourself a good rest of this day.